In this video, I'm going to show you how to blend images in Adobe Express. Now, there's a bunch of ways to do this. I'm going to show you one which I do think is going to be the easiest. So the first thing you want to do is put on two images you want to blend together. So I'm going to use this one over here, which I just AI generated for the purpose of this video, just like that. There we go. And then I'm also going to add another one which I want to overlap, okay? So it's going to be this one over here, just like that, okay? The images are similar, as you can see here, but of course I can still overlap them. It doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to adjust the size of them like this, and of course you can change things however you want, but I'm going to overlap just this part over here, just like that. So what you have to do is go to the top image, which is of course at the top, and you want to overlap, and then you want to go to the top here, click on the edit button. Oops, not this one, but the actual edit button. My mistake, I pressed on the crop button, so don't do that. Click on the edit button, and then from here you can see opacity. Now you want to click on that, and you can change the opacity of this image over here, and as you can see, I'm blending these together already. Now you can also go and select the multiply or screen effects over here, which are going to make it kind of a bit more epic if you're trying to achieve something specific, okay? So in my case, there we go. As you can see, it's now actually blending through nicely. If I want to multiply, it looks a bit weird, so it's not the one I'm going to use right now. I'm just going to go with the screen one, and I'm going to put it at over like about 50, okay? Now, whenever you've done this, you'll see that your blend has actually been applied. And if I now remove this image for you, you can see, there we go, it was kind of a slight blend when I actually put it over, okay? Now, this is going to look best and of course work best with different images where you have something like landscapes or there's like a clear difference in photos, but for this one, I just wanted like a slight blend, okay? But that's like a method you could use. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.